In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and activate a Lycamobile Esim online in minutes. If you're new to eSIM, it's a digital SIM that lives inside your phone, so there's no waiting for delivery and no fiddling with tiny trays. It's fast, convenient, and perfect when you need service right away. First, head to the official Lycamobile website for your country. Using the correct country site matters because plans, pricing, and available features can vary by location. If you see a country selector at the top or bottom of the page, switch it to match where you'll be using the service. Make sure your device supports eSIM and is unlocked. Most recent flagship phones do, but it's always worth confirming on your device manufacturer's support page. Next, browse the prepaid plans and pick the one that fits your needs. Think about how much data you truly use, whether you need unlimited calls or texts, and how long you want the plan to last. If you plan to travel or tether, check the plan details for roaming or hotspot allowances. A little comparison here can save you money and avoid surprises later. When you move to checkout, choose the eSIM option instead of a physical SIM. This is the key step that enables instant activation. Double check that you've selected eSIM before you proceed. Keep your email address accurate. This is where your activation details will be sent. Complete your payment and wait for the order confirmation on screen. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during checkout and keep the confirmation page or order number handy just in case you need it for reference. Now check your email for the QR code from Lycamobile. With your phone connected to Wi-Fi, open the email on the same device you'll be using. Most phones let you install the eSIM by going to Settings, then Mobile or Cellular, selecting Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan and choosing Use QR code. You can also use the camera app if your device supports scanning directly from there. Follow the prompts to download the eSIM profile, give the line a label if asked, and set it as your primary or data line based on your preference. If you're traveling, consider enabling data roaming once the eSIM is active, according to your plan's terms. And that's it. Your Lycamobile eSIM will be up and running within minutes, no delivery required. Enjoy your new plan, and remember you can manage your usage and top up online anytime.